Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to watch my video tutorial, my name is Tony Fajardo, and for today's video, I will share on how to create or design a button for your VBA macro. So click Insert and then let's add a rectangular shape. Right click and then let's add text. Let's try print. You can also format the text, like select format or resize the text, and also the alignment. We can also format the shape so we can design our button. So here you have varieties of format or designs. So let's try to click bevel. So as you can see, our object changes. Okay. And then you can explore other options depending on your desired design or format. Now we have created one button. Let's try to create another one. So same process, click Insert and then add shape. So again, let's choose a rectangular shape. And then for this button, let's try to change color. And then add a text. So still, this is our print button number 2. You can also resize the text. And then for this button, let's put the text to the right alignment. So for this button, let's try to add an image. So from Google, I typed print icon and with PNG format. We will select a picture that has no background. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, there's still a background. So let's try to look for other options. Then instead of right click, let's try to press Ctrl V. So there you have it. We have now a print icon. So let's resize it and put it on the print button number 2. So again, let's try to design our print button number 2. Let's choose bevel. Okay, now we have created our 2 buttons. You can also again change the format of our text in the button. Okay. Now let's try to add a command or function for each buttons. So for print button number 1, right click and then assign macro and then click new button. Inside of that function, let's try to create a command that has a message box on it. So let's type msg box and then the message box title or text. So this command is for print button number 1. For print button number 2, since we have an image, so we have to group together the two objects. Again, okay, now that we have grouped the objects together, let's try to right click and then click again the new button. So for this print button number 2, let's add another command which is also message box, and a text that indicates that this is a command for button number 2. Okay, I think we save it as an XLSX file, so let's try to file and then browse and save as. So for this instance, let's select macro enabled format and then click save button. Okay, now let's try to click each button to check if the commands inside of each buttons are working. So there you have it. We have successfully created and designed our buttons. Thanks for watching and see you on my next videos.